Sharanu Sharanarthi, welcome to Vachana Foundation. Now in today's class we shall discuss about expression for drift velocity. Expression for drift velocity. So drift velocity means whenever you are taking a conductor in which you will apply electric field, suppose E is the electric field applied in this direction, electrons were moving like this. When electrons were moving, they themselves collide each other. Okay, they can also collide with the positive ions present in the conductor. Then what happens? They reduces their velocity. They get drifted their velocity opposite to the direction of applied electric field. So drift means the reduced velocity of the electrons. Electrons reduces its velocity. Okay, we can write the definition as the average velocity with which electrons get drifted opposite to the direction of electric field is called drift velocity. So this is the definition. Drift velocity, the average velocity with which electrons get drifted opposite to the direction of electric field is called as drift velocity. Okay, now if we take whenever the electrons were moving, we can write the general expression for motion of electron is V is equal to U plus AT, you know. So here what I am doing is I am taking V as VD. VD is a drift velocity, U is initial velocity is 0, initial average velocity is 0 before applying your electric field. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ನಾಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಎವರೇಜ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ 0 ಇರ್ತದೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಯು ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್, ಟೌ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ದ ಎವರೇಜ್ time duration during which the electrons get collided on each other, okay, or the successive collision of electrons in the conductor is called as relaxation time or mean free time ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನು VD is equal to A tau. So these electrons get the acceleration in opposite direction to the applied electric field. ಈ ಕಡೆ acceleration ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Now from Newton's second law of motion, when the electrons were moving, we will be writing F is equal to ma, because electric field is applying the force to the electrons. So electrons experience a force. Due to that force, what happens? It will be moving from one end to other end of the conductor. That means opposite to the direction of applied electric field. From Newton's second law of motion, we can write F is equal to ma. F is equal to m into a. So you can take acceleration, a is equal to F divided by m. So you know E is equal to F by Q. This is the definition of electric field, you know. So here we can write E is equal to F by E. Okay, what we can write is F is equal to E into E ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, A is equal to F ಬದಲಾಗಿ minus E into E ಬರೀತೀನಿ divided by M. Minus sign indicates that electrons were moving opposite to the direction of applied electric field. That means they are accelerated opposite to the direction of electric field. So here you substitute the value of this A is equal to minus EM divided by EE divided by M to the above equation. You can call this equation number 1. Substituting the value of A in equation 1. Equation 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? VD is equals to A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? So minus E divided by m, tau as it is, tau as it is on the multiplication factor. Okay. So the magnitude of drift velocity is the magnitude of the drift velocity is given by so magnitude na bardeve ಏನಂತ್ರಿ so E tau divided by m, E tau divided by m. So this is the expression for drift velocity. I hope you understood this.